Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Afshan's kitchen. I hope you all are doing good. Today my recipe is chicken chikar chole. First start by adding tomatoes in a grinder. Then add fried onions, coriander, red chili powder, cumin powder, and lastly add turmeric. Now grind everything together. Now add water and grind everything together. It should look like this. Now add oil in a pot and then add cumin seeds and mix well. Then add ginger and garlic powder. Now add chicken, fry until the chicken is light golden. Now add tomato mixture and mix well. Now add water. Mix well. Now cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, add boiled chickpeas. Now add green chilies and coriander on top. Cover and cook for at least 5 minutes on low flame. And here is our delicious chicken chikar chole. I hope you like today's recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.